What's the difference between who you are now and who you could be? The answer isn't in your future plans. It's in one frightening thing you avoid confronting: your actual daily routine. Today, you will learn an ancient system from a samurai master, designed to destroy excuses and forge unbreakable discipline. Let the journey begin. The first ring is Earth. It means one thing: you must dig. Imagine John, a marketing manager in New York. He feels like he's running all day, but accomplishing nothing. One day, after reading about Miyamoto Musashi, John decided to apply the cave principle. After his greatest victory, Musashi retreated to a cave for 2 years. He didn't celebrate. He studied his weaknesses. John did something similar. He tracked every minute of his time for a week using a simple app. The results were a slap in the face. 4.5 hours daily on social media and apps. Only 1.7 hours of true, deep-focused work. The remaining work, hours lost in unnecessary meetings, random emails, and unfocused anxiety. Earth does not lie. Musashi's words. Know the smallest details and the broadest picture. Seeing the shameful details, the wasted minutes, and the big picture, days passing without progress, is the beginning of salvation. John was shocked. He decided on radical change. 5 a.m. wake-ups, 2 hours at the gym, a strict diet, and utter failure by day 3. This is because he skipped over the ring of water. Musashi wrote, "Let your mind be like water. Water doesn't attack the rock. It flows around it and seeps through its cracks." Discipline is not a violent assault, but a persistent infiltration. John started over with the easy conquest tactic. Wake up just 20 minutes earlier, not 2 hours. 5 minutes of exercise at home, not 2 hours at the gym. One single 25-minute block of focused work, not 8 hours. The steps seemed ridiculous. But after 2 weeks, he had completed 10 focused work blocks, and waking up early had become a habit. Water breaks down mountains through consistency, not force. As he progressed, a new enemy appeared: anger. Anger at his own slowness, envy of his colleague's success. This is the fuel for the Ring of Fire. The orphaned Musashi channeled his rage into 14 hours of daily training. John used his anger intelligently. In his notebook, he wrote every evening,
I am angry because I chose Netflix over my side project. I am frustrated because I skipped my workout.
Then, he turned each point into a tactical order for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will work on the project for 25 minutes before turning on the TV. Tomorrow, I will put on my workout shoes before I even think about whether to exercise. He didn't suppress his anger. He directed it. He transformed negative energy into a driving force. The fire that could have consumed him instead forged his new habits. After 3 months, John was a new man, and the most insidious danger lurked: arrogance. The feeling of "I have arrived." This is what the Ring of Wind warns against. Musashi, after defeating all his rivals, said, "I have not yet reached the way." John stopped tracking his time. He thought, "I don't need these systems anymore." Within 2 weeks, he found himself sliding back into old patterns. The wind reminds you to always look for someone above you. John started listening to interviews with entrepreneurs and digital monks, not to imitate them, but to keep his inner student alive. True discipline is a direction of travel, not a destination. And finally, the void. This is where the philosophical magic happens. After 6 months, John asked himself, will I have to struggle like this forever? A sense of exhaustion loomed. Then he understood the wisdom. The struggle never ends. You become stronger. In the void, practice becomes second nature. Waking up early, deep work, exercise become like breathing. You don't think about it. It is what you are. Earth shows you the hole. Water teaches you to build the ladder. Fire gives you the will to climb. Wind prevents you from falling through arrogance. And the void is the view from the summit and the understanding that the climb itself was the goal all along. John today no longer asks, when will this end? Instead, he asks, what is the new challenge? He is transformed from someone seeking comfort into someone who finds meaning in the challenge itself. The 5 rings didn't just change his routine, they changed his identity. You're not far from this transformation. It starts with 1 ring, Earth. Confront your reality. The rest will follow.